In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-populate form fields in Word. If you regularly create contracts, forms, certificates, invoices, or templates where the same information appears multiple times, this feature will save you a tremendous amount of time. Instead of typing the same name, date, or reference number again and again, you can enter it once and have it automatically repeat throughout your document. Let's start with one of the simplest methods, using quick parts. First, type the information you want to reuse, such as a client's name or company details. Highlight that text, then go to the Insert tab and click on Quick Parts. From there, choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery. Give your entry a clear name and click OK. Now, whenever you need to insert that same information elsewhere in the document, simply go back to Insert, click Quick Parts, and select the saved entry. This ensures consistency and reduces typing errors. Another effective approach is using content controls, which are especially useful when creating fillable forms. To access this feature, you need to enable the Developer tab. Click File, go to Options, select Customize Ribbon, and check the Developer box. Once enabled, place your cursor where you want the field to appear, then click Plain Text Content Control from the Developer tab. You can insert multiple content controls throughout your document. By configuring their properties and organizing them properly, you can create structured forms that are easier to manage and distribute. To refresh all fields in your document at once, press Ctrl and A to select everything, then press F9. Auto-populating form fields in Microsoft Word not only improves efficiency, but also ensures accuracy and professionalism in your documents. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.